Ladies and gentlemen, today we will be serving spaghetti, paella, Kessler, and barbecue. Enjoy your lunch.